Hi, my name is Heather Kelly. I am a dental hygienist with TePe Oral Hygiene Products. I am here to introduce you to the TePe products and how to use them. TePe Easypick is a great on-the-go option. It is an easy and efficient way to clean between your teeth, leaving your mouth fresh and healthy. The secret lies in the combination of materials. The core is both stable and flexible, and the silicone coating cleans efficiently between the teeth and feels comfortable on the gums. The non-slip grip ensures steady cleaning. When using the Easypick, there are multiple sizes to choose from. The larger the space between your teeth, the bigger diameter of Easypick you want to choose. Simply move the Easypick in a back and forth motion between your teeth. The Easypick is one shape, being both durable and flexible enough to reach all areas of your mouth. There is also a travel case to make it easier to store on the go. Thank you for taking the time to learn about our products. Please visit our website for more information.